Hi everyone and welcome to Simplify the FX Journey. Here I'm sharing my weekly market analysis and also my experiences and mistakes as a developing forex trader. My goal is to support you in your trading journey so we can get better together. In this week's video I'll analyze GBPUSD, New Zealand USD and GBP Canadian dollar. I'll discuss any potential setups to help you make informed trading decisions. If you stay until the end of this video, I'll also review the trades I took based off last week's analysis. The first pair I'll analyze today is GBP Canadian dollar. Starting from the daily chart, we can see the price has been consolidating for quite a while. Most recently, price faked out this level and started pushing down towards 1.77. Down here there are two levels that I'm interested in. So first is 1.7718 and then 1.7683. So we can see price push down and reach the higher level, which means I was able to look for a trade. Now because there is a staggered level just under it, it makes the trade a little bit riskier, because I think it's still likely that the price can push down to the lower level. And I'll show you an example of this on pound dollar later. But let's focus on this trade for now. So we can see price hit the level, faked out and close quite a bit higher. For me this is a valid fake out, so I was able to start looking on the 4-hour chart for valid entry. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, you can see I'm already in a trade, so let's go through the logic of the trade. Here on the 4-hour you can see price was moving down nicely, making swing low, lower high, low low. At this point it created the fake out. I was looking for either double bottom or shift of structure. This was the last swing point which I was looking for it to be broken. This bullish candle broke the structure. So after the structure was broken, I basically set up my entry. I'll just go back to the daily because I missed something quite important. So on the daily, I set up my initial target at this swing low here, so 1.7870, and as usual, my stop loss was going to be under the fake out, knowing that it's quite a risky trade because we've got the staggered levels. Going back to the 4 hours, so we already have the trade, but I'll just show it again. I knew that that's my stop loss, that's my target. I knew I had my structure broken to the upside, so that's a potential sign for a reversal here. So I entered on Friday on this candle. I was a bit late because this was early in the morning, so I did enter, I think it was about noon time, so 12 o'clock UK time. So I'm still in this trade. Let's see how it goes. I'll update you in next week analysis. Moving on to the next one. Next trade is pound US dollar. On the daily we can see price was in an uptrend until 26th of September, and then it started reversing, broke this low, which essentially meant it's in a downtrend now. In here we have pretty similar structure as the GBP Canadian, so staggered levels, and actually I started looking for long when this higher level was faked out. Obviously that we can see that didn't happen, so now it went down to the lower level and it was faked out again. So I'm still looking for long, just at a different level. Potential target again this swing, the last swing point. So this is my potential target. Moving on to the 4 hours. So you can see where the first fake out happened here. I was looking for long, and I needed either a double bottom or this swing to be broken. Obviously neither double bottom or this swing was broken, so no trade for me here. So the moment, again, this is the last swing high, so I'm looking for the swing high to be broken, then a retest and price move to the upside. My target is there, my stop loss here, and the worst risk to reward for me is 1-to-1. So this is my trade. Let's see how it works out next week. On to the next one. Next pair I'm looking to trade next week is New Zealand USD. You can see pretty similar price action to Pound USD. So price was in uptrend, but if you zoom out, you can see it's actually in a kind of in a range, but that's not important. After this fake out, price started moving down and it was reaching to this level where we are at the moment. On Thursday, price faked out this previous level, and on Friday it closed within the range. So I am looking for long, and again similar, actually going back to the daily just to determine the target placement. This will be my target because that's the last swing level. Back to the 4 hours. So zooming in, this is my swing point. So I'm looking for something like this. A move that breaks this swing point, a retest, and a move to the upside. So let's get the trading tool. Again, this is my target. I'm always leaving a couple of pips for targets and stop loss just for the spread, and this is 1-to-1. So this is my potential trade for next week. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so now let's review the pairs from last week. The first one is euro dollar. Last week I had open trade here. You can probably see it was a losing trade, but that doesn't make it a bad trade, it's just a losing trade. So last year the logic was price was moving down, hit this level, faked out, it created a double bottom here with RSI divergence, so I entered. The initial move was quite promising. You can see here it went probably about 60% up to my target, but then crashed and stopped me out. So yeah, a losing trade, but it's still a valid one. Happy with this. So EURGBP from last week. You can see, I think these are the drawings from last week. Yeah, we had the fake out here. I think we had it, yeah, here. So fake out, big move up, and I was looking to enter. Just to show you my entry on the 4 hour. So the setup was the swing point, which is this, was broken. Price retested, and you can see the result went up. So I did enter a bit late. I think I entered right here. That was during the night. I woke up on this candle, the 6 o'clock candle, set up my orders and pretty much entered, and price went to the target. So pretty pain-free trade, and this brings the result for the week to break even. So I had loss on euro dollar and win on euro GBP. That's everything from me for this week. Let me know what you think about the pairs I discussed today, and which pairs would you like me to cover next week. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more weekly insights, and share it with your trading community. See you next week.